When you want to find contact information for people, especially professionals, influencers, or decision makers, you often search for the email address, phone numbers, or social profiles. There are many tools that promise this, but one name you will hear often is RocketReach. Some people say it changed how they find the leads, while others wonder whether it is still relevant and worth paying for. So in this video, we will take a simple and honest look at RocketReach, what it does, what's good about it, what's not so good, and whether you should consider using it as a creator, influencer, or business owner. RocketReach is a contact lookup tool. In a simple word, it helps you to find emails, phone numbers, and social media links for professionals and business around the world. You can search by the name, company, job title, and even domain. It has a big database that tries to give you accurate data details for the people you want to connect with. Many sales teams, marketers, recruiters, and creators use it to reach out to potential clients, partners, or influencers. But before that, just welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover tools that make work easier and faster. Today, we are going to review RocketReach and see if it is still relevant for people who want to find contact information and grow their network. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using the link any available discount or offer will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand how the RocketReach work. You start by entering a person name and company name or domain into the search box. The RocketReach looks through its database to find matching contact information. You may get email address, phone numbers, and links to the social media profiles like LinkedIn or Twitter. It also shows the additional detail like job title, location, and company information when available. The idea is to give you everything you need when you want to send a direct email or a message to someone important. One of the main strengths of RocketReach is its large database and search filter. For example, if you want to find people in a specific industry or job role, you can use filters to narrow down your search. This helps you to find more relevant contacts instead of searching random lists. So, if you are a freelancer looking for the clients in a specific niche, RocketReach can help you to focus on the right audience. Another positive thing is the integration with other tools. RocketReach can integrate with email platform and CRMs. This means you can find contact information and send outreach messages without juggling multiple systems. For sale and the marketing professionals, this kind of workflow can save time and improve the efficiency. RocketReach also offers accuracy scores for the contact information. This tells you how confident the system is that the email or phone number is correct. This is useful because not all contact tools in the market are reliable, and having some indicator of the accuracy increases your chances of connecting successfully. Now let's talk about some limitation. One important point is the pricing. RocketReach is not a free tool. You need a subscription to access full research credit and contact details. For beginners or small creators with limited budgets, this can feel expensive, especially if you are just testing outreach for the first time. You can use some free credits when you sign up, but long-term user that requires the payments. Another downside is that contact databases always face challenges with accuracy and freshness. People change the jobs, update their contact details, or close the old accounts. So even though RocketReach tries to keep its update, sometimes the information may be outdated or incorrect. It is always a good idea to verify contact details before sending important messages. Also, for some users, the user interface may feel a little overwhelming if you are new to the contact search tools. There are many filters and options, and beginner might find it a bit confusing at first. So, in conclusion, RocketReach is still hold the value for professionals who need targeted contact information and outreach capabilities. It has a large database, integration feature, and tools to refine your search, but it is not perfect, and you should always weigh the cost. Also, accuracy and your actual needs before subscribing. I hope this review helped you to understand the rocket race in a simple and clear way. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more videos like this. Check the description for the Rocket Reach link with any available benefit or free offer. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.